Many anum Ghana for the church at Ubibiara or Shamia. Mijidi say Ubia a okay. Atenase yɛba abɛsua de kakra. Megusu kan mu sɛ Broni kasa bia atwa yɛn ho ahyia bia no ɛho behia sɛ yɛbɛte ase. Kasa ɛna a disconnect yɛ ɛfiri asase na yɛnam so no. Ɛno nti ɛho behia sɛ kasa na ɛbɛsan yɛ den a reconnect yɛn. Ɛno nti ɛho behia sɛ kasa no sɛ deɛ tie bia no yɛbɛkyerɛ ase kyerɛ mu. Yɛnya ase kyerɛ deɛ ne ne nso nim sɛ yɛnya ase kyerɛ. But say yɛnya ase kyerɛ deɛ ɛho behia sɛ mu nti na yɛnya ase kyerɛ nti yɛno bɛ abɛtena ase ne yɛsua mu adeɛ. Kasa na ne bitima reconnecting back. Ɛnyɛ saa deɛ we all can reconnect back to our naturality. Sisi na ɛwɔ sɛ obi live it sɛ akwala. Sɛ un live it sɛ akwala na te sɛ bɔne bi yi we free o naturality ho, your originality no. We fake no. You have to live like a kid. Enti me wa akwala soma me amekɔ me yema no. Penyin si soma me ameyɛ. Me ho akwala no free school back cry na me chia no first. What I say me ntwen sɛ akwala no bɛ chia me na me di kan chia akwala no. Mitimi chia akwala no bi no mu gina hɔ no mu hwɛ m'akyi. No mu ka sɛ brai me TV but emfa me ho. Me ho ma me chia mo. Enti sɛ start live sɛ akwala na ma wayɛ natural. Ɛno nti kasa no sɛ deɛ ɛtie bia no once abrɔfo kasa deɛ yɛbɛte ase. Nanso yɛde aba yɛ kasa mu. Ne ahwɛ difference anase difference edem what I say na yɛde compare ne ho kwa be fa so betimi connect through that process because kasa no ne betimi connect yɛn ho. Kasa na ma nyina yɛdi atro. Awiase na ɛti so no kasa na ma ebibifo yɛdi atro. Ɛnyɛ kasa nka yɛbi ani atro. De mo yɛ nyina mo yɛ bi ɔmo kra ɔmo wo ba. They don't marry but they have sex and they give birth anyhow. Ghana ha yɛse ukoyi bia sɛ wayɛ bɔne tia ɔmo God. That's ɔmo ware no mawo. What I say nti say ti kasa ni biase. Ɛno ti Broni kasa da was a husband and wife. Wo de ba yɛ kasa mu a ɔyere ni okunu. What I say na o translate kasa okunu anase okunu a ɛnyɛ kasa a ɛwɔ sɛ meaningful. Ɛno ti wo hu sɛ wo se ɔyɛ bema de onware na sɛ bema yɛ obi onware bema apart from bia waware no bema me bia yɛ bema. And bema no kasa na ɛda hɔ no ɛyɛ bema. What I say didn't ɛyɛ bema ne sɛ tete no yɛka kyerɛ sɛ woyɛ bema sɛ ɔtene fie. Woyɛ bema ɛnkɔda bɔnten de tie bia woyɛ bema ɛwɔ sɛ ɔbɛ fie ɛwɔ sɛ ɔbɛtene fie ɛwɔ sɛ ɔde fie. What I say ɛna nso nim sɛ maame no mu na efie yɛ mo dia. Yɛ kan maame no mu a we are classifying all women here. And until nim say if you man dia. Na eba ne den na say wo bema, e say utene fi, wo ben ma. What I say, and until ye nyina yinim, until kokroma e wo say timi be fi na ya timi beda. Ye maame nom, ye yire nom, yes omu nyina mo ye fam, we say omu ye maame nom. And until no mo to kasa no say e ben ma. Na sisi anom se sa ben ma no, o ware wi a, na ne dia sesa aye ekunu. Na u translate ekunu ba okase mu a kyerɛ kill it. What you say ekunu didn't ya kyerɛ kill it no wo de ya show muslim o ware bema anase aware fo ware wi no mkotene fia na yesi bema ne suba sesa sisi abema no enemi bi oye bia bo se na ekunu ba no kele no. What you say ye na nanom se kasa no kunu no enye kasa wo se ka ti otie bia se wa ware no onyi ware no oye bema. So what I say oye bema nti kasa no se de yɛde kasa na to ye ho so no esan abrofo kasa na eruli ye no ama yeso ye de na e wo se di echi na ehu ni main origin no ye hu echiri ɛna nyina nso yɛ kan hu se bɔne de ebe firi ase ana se bɔne de beba ɛna bibi su na ye den eba ye se abobi beka wa na firi ontumem nti omo so moto kasa ne kunuma ye no ye hu de nti omo to sa kasa ne kunuma ye. What I say nti bo se aware for to why ye se bema no more problem bema ne hadwene bema bi obebo oba no obenom nsa obi a ode oye. What I say nti no so no ema enije enye den emefie nti mo say yese eyekunu okunu. So what I say enu tikasa no o combine a na odwene ho a na ama meaning but unya connection bi ansa na sa meaning no etinya ba enu so nti na yete ha. What I say Sao disconnection in a casino, and tea sunny casino, now so fetch at be now new being so yet a discussing. So what I say, and tea casa beman any kuno, difference at them no. And when tea uber bruni casino, so no say husband and wife. Moon said, your casa way a beman, I was set with nephew. Saa could no, and as a subano, the could dash a husband. Munka unusa or mukrana or my casano, they are not living that life. What I say, Omun live his life no. Into Oma Baby who life be will live you her, and their former casama. What I say, and yes, uncle said ya for Philly Casawahana, and as a Momo Casanoahana. It was a sarcasano, so I can say be a timmy walk almost almost as and so. No mutime for fully, na answer the Yakumun, Yaman in Kumu, no musumu kumusa. But a no munkumusa, ye kumusa, and see Jinomocasanos, and a cosan money. What I say, into husband, uti casania. Edena HUS no, we see a husband. Ena HAS, and see a has. One child who difference. Or two actually, or person confuse you into who difference. Into see house, and a person catcher. House bound, and as a house, you are under ban. What I say, let's say, Udisa Titiano, and I say Titiano, and I can want some more Bema aspect. Udiba of Casimwa. Or the Santitian in a Ura Brunica sending, or they share husband and amount. What I say, into you are under husband, you also be warrior, or Becat Oshawa won't Tabakasu, me worry minting at the antenna bontimbium, me worry minting pibium. I say you under bound. What I say, you're banned from BB. What I say, I restrict you from going out, and your bonny say, very restrict you from going out. Casana was what I say. Casana ye trust actual, now so come for social casano. But in Catinifid and Kanya the bonny. For you to save money and trouble outside, okay, the papa and Kanya bonny. But your person tiasi. What I say, now for you from husband, I will say, the intern teaming P, the intern teaming young who said ya Omuka saw your bearman, or yeno, the intern teaming yes, and Munina, Casano, it is a casano chiro. In terms of do baby, I saw worry. Into marriage in a married right age. Into much share casana to into who do age beer, who per se in your wedding, who worry. What I say, and with the casana say in a positive aspect. What I say, nay, apply any UK my me makasanin jinjami na my Felice Ibia, Yayera Bibri. They also tear sell compassano, and I say in a positive way, no fancy. They almost say negative way, no Jima to baby, no free. What I say, and to Bonicas or the fast share husband, and I say husband, ukunu. What I say, husband, free ne common can say husband, bema, the tibia bema, munisa kunu damuson to move for Philly Western. What I say, time so I'm worry, and count if you can't call baby, or call time up an alba, but the kunu dino too, so no, into Amasisiano, uni na kili ubi, and so then young can I then otie. So what I say, a man also one aspect, and a man also one aspect. What I say, and the Cassan is all see you are now free warding. Next Sunday, wife, no free system. And as I won't say Cassie Besha also. And to more worry, I won't team Pia Bontimina because Cassano meaning say you are under ban or housebound. Oko baby, I make sure say out of bounds. That means don't go there. What I say, into she feels so I see you are bound. Don't go there. So what I say, and your bonus so just for you to save money. Uncle Tana baby, uncle no one said being sika, uncle you. Also come and think of Wiki Bab, sausage in the idea, upon Chinamani, Mamma Doania the idea, uncle or debut, did Yashi fee. Now I have fresh fish biama. What I say, now fast system, not a mouse skin on sweating, air fresh. Auntie, uncle was a casano, sanity, into one soon the muna, utibia, no come fast as she shema, who say husband that baby, no what I say. Who say wife that baby no what I say. Who say kunu that baby no what I say. Who say bema that baby I no what I say. Bema and no person chero. Enti mi amiti he who me say me sha say e ma na ma ben mo me ma me na me sha say ben na what I say kase bi wa who say e best start making meaning. One kase bi best start making meaning to you but because on take kasa nti unti ase nti no it has never made a meaning to you. What dream cause so? This time, not here, see, I feel who didn't take a cabin. a meaning to you. One can show life more. Now, no, we must say, oh, for Philip, you can want to see. What I say, enti ekunu no ma mofo se mo ware am ntimi mpia bonte no enye bone what I say ne papa mu ntia enti mo manage ne sa na fe wo hwe efe ne sen yire enso a omo se wife what I say wo hwe wife kasa na eda ho na kasa no mahyehe kasa no motwitwa so ena mo de combine omo de mo talent anu some be twitwa no omo ye wada fo anko me sure senka enimo nkombe wede amaye no kenyenye maketwa what I say intuition wife akasa na person ka kire wo ho no unse most often no ye maame no mu no na say man no as in general no uni obakwa relationship mu na say uni wa ware a what notice abo say man very used to asking questions what I say they like asking why this why that why this why that what I say after mo so mbe hu se kase bi na mo fulfill no munim enu tu ka why I na hu no why is equal to I ena o ka kase bi se wifi wifi no why na wifi e bi so ka na wifi so what I say but pronunciation na wifi enu ti why no person ka ho ma but o person to twene na un person bi hu konfa so kasa na ma ho nti ehumbe nya se kasa bi e ma wo identify the person ka kire so easy no obe pick out sa kasa ni film me se me makwa se me nyamu anenam what I say nti me tricks na me share kasa ni nyina no enu nti na mo pese me ba out abeka bi a kire mo enti ma mo hu ni se media grow what I say nti we echine film ena wo hu ni se ena because y is equal to I nti no wo hu ni se normal wo hu ni se I keke na da ho what about ko betimi di wan so ahye wanka unhu so what I say enti bonu kasa no hu a so wo observe kasa ni yi na bisa se kwa be so no fa no so no hye kasa no wo sa se wo yes apa wo be start adwene eno so bebo am connect you onye bia na betima betina akatrel enti so hu kasa no start se wo person te kasa na se a after you push to know why you want to understand what I say enti why no person katrel wo ho na f ina so so wo ho no f no ejina ho ma iron ana dadie scientists be catch say dadie bia represent a friend saying knife bia represent dadie knife na person make and it didn't abuni ema wife how the f so so ma ho no usa notice ye ma na unu munya ntokwa na say unu munya kasakasa weapon mutimi fire knife so what I say weapon mutimi ko ho ntem na because knife no and what they are used to what as a man used to wife enti once they ask questions they are used to omubufu na ntokwa be mu I say ko fax kan hardly so gonzo babu for wakofa chukoti bi so de bebo de bi unye bi what as a knife no na oil familiar with enti knife no bitimi na den edaba so enti ma bibibi na no munya problem na makofa knife o kaseni to say wife what I say kaseni mu na hye na ye fofele kasa no enso wo kasa nka oyire na eda ho sa no kasa bi anka ye di ekire mu anka no boaye enso yesi say ni ebie de nim your husband and wife ye nim oyire ni efen se bema biom enu tihwe kasa bi ti se oyire a de oyire person ka kire wa ne se enka tete no me twema bia ko ekire wo enka tete no enka before bema bia be ware oba no enka de bema ne hyedem na ya che oba na hye ne nchen na ebi gina mpoma no window peepholes no ebi gina no na ebi si gina door na no na ye hwese den na be koso inside be ma na be wini ana so ba na be wini what I say entu ekoba ne se be ma no edi oba no se no timi ne da ye se wa yire no what I say o yire no enti wotimi edi ni sunkunim enti na hu be nya se mo de oba no be ma no basa ekoba ne se oba no ntimi be ma no ntimi afa oba no chi anka fo ma na se wontimi ayire oba no onya na oba no bie puno dwane a epuno no so ya na mo ntum omo kato ano nti oba no timi dwane na ya ka kire se oba we die untimi ne ntena untimi ware no na se untimi yire no enti untimi yire na ne da no udi ne sunkunim a na oba ya wo yire o yire no no oba ya wo yire enti ono so be hu se watimi ayire no no oba submissive automatically no oba bre na ho ase because process no come no a process bi ono ti ase sisi ai si eni ebi nti wife no yenim nti na se kan na piem epie musa na edi mirika ati ase epie musa na edi mirika ati ase ntina epie mu na akwa terrible enti hu be hia se kasa na ebeti ase na afi ya compare ni hu hia be hia se de se eje mu no enyu bi na be ka kire bi de se eje mu nso enyu bi na be ka kire so ati ase enti wife kasa na eda on because women ask questions, they like asking why, and because they are used in life na say buni timi to twene what I say na afi na eso so ho no esan en esan di female enim who spell female bia onya afi o sa iron na ejina ho no because that there no sika na iron na wakodi ahemu na sa iron na ejina mu ekodu ho no so no ya catch say iron onum say iron bia na edin dade bia edin enye so do musa bebu dade na ya sa catch say behind every successful man is a woman na so ba na edin ati ba na edin tina timi gina ho ntina mo kodu sa nyina ahemu ti female crashes kasa female na omo de afi na edikan afi ni iron na say be pie mu ho what I say na say onum na me ni gina eno se na me ni gina without the feel, the make can come. What I say? The Casana Mashafa and the Humbian Sevetiasi. What I say? Uti Casana say, now if you who says, my dad out, and Tomcasa will be a film for Nujuma. Now for I was saying, and found Unjina being for illegal and your Casentum being fancho. What I say? Illegal and Casa dog Casasan, A plus, you know what could do honor, A fit. A 5 fist. Enjoy no ma gisa fit omo gisa fit na free sim enti girl so so what I say na se mu kodu bibia sha oba mu e ma ehu se bibia yoba bibia yobo ade what I say ye no bi ehu kasa na anti ehu a enim de ompeso mo kire ye enti hu be nya se so no ba betena ha na ye kan bia kire na wadwe no ho keke ye me force se ti de eka no ye me force se de eka no en na fa ye djuma unsu be nipa adwene de witrim what I say akwenya na wenya se won so aka offense of gift and also connection bi e be martin nyame bi ase what I say nti enya akwenya na hu bi nya se ni mba ba che na won so ya bo ama won so enya akwenya ni bi en na be ma wipe powerful en na be ma won so na ma be isu se oman ma incident kra na wo de un feel de ekoso because unya knowledge bi a wo de asetena nim unya knowledge bi a wo de fa system nim a wo de un feel bi what I say omunim se nipa ewu ni nyina lack of knowledge into mo say people perish what I say lack of knowledge dey be ma perish kasa na da hosa no kasa bia kasa kire sa but you knowledge cry was say utimi seek for us wu nipa wa sa so omo so nka se nko mo esa knowledge no unya mo ma na mo dada what I say eti mo be hia se ekebi kire wa obedwene ho what I say think about it you ba me so dwene ho a ubenya solution ubenya bibi what I say unya bibi abegina so adwene ho no eno ntina ebi nso a wote ho sa sisi a ntina ye kan bi kire ti kase bia be hu ho bia no kan hu say it is there for a purpose for bibi what I say enti kasa e be kire mo ase ano no especially husband and wife no NSM taking note okunu no de matase Most be na meaningful for be after say enye sana meti na me ka kire wa utimi de ba out na say won so utimi comment ba na ya dwene ho na ya hwese de bia na eno so eden etie enti oyere no so yate ase be man so yate ase enti this time no won so hia okwa wari mo na so hia kasa bia na sisi ana pesa okoye wife no won so hu say sana kasa na enti be bo modin say unko fofele sa kasa no what I say unko fofele wife enko twisikan what I say now so what I say buru na shada sakasa na mana kasa no mu say kasa is very powerful what I say she konfa so she oyire ma wo uti oyire ase she say oyire tie what I say nti so ya dia be man woni gine ho a mo kwa bi antem nka mu shedam ho bi antem nka but e bia na woni nyi no ho nti e wo say be man so eye word no wa she kasa buru ni she ma as wife what I say na wife mum na ye fulfill ma munim say Ghana he bibri many bi wo ho asa me ma no so bi wo ho asa what I say edi kasa na say yesane kasa na nyina ho beto yi what I say ehun ya sa kokodu sekan ahye awarium. What I say, why don't so could see can shower you? There's no o shira warrior no some mamon on your real. What I say, do share warrior no mamon on your real. We are real uncle could see can weapon and share couples. I will say omo union. If anything, holy union. Now we share husband from husband and wife. Also for now for be husband and wife. And so wife won't say. Enter make us a gun and a son, assassinate son. Then you know, slave in a chill. I said virus, a full beer trim. What I say, we are president, crying out for trim, we are malam with him. What said that Tibiano? Casananya Casadi, a fault trim. What I say, me too, a minimum back say, Macaco, my description be over for Cassim. I miss a family trim, I'm letting her. What I say, Mentiman design Cassim be a miss me no better unique between me and you to offend to reflect the description or the what we are talking here. Not as a Miss Mayra, Mama Buninin with the minimal can Mamma idea. It shouldn't be like that. Since you know your own alphabet, maybe dismiss me born line, I'm smoothly designing the maybe catcher. Now soon I'll bet yes, go on a minute becassa. Now question me cassa to the whole world. What I say, and it is Akasan in Nimudia. Wow, your man Subiano, only sif. Cassabi will leave Cassabi the deal, so I will him say Cassani do so. Now, no notice Cassabi around you, no one who say, only if you cry now, Cassacasim, so no one say anything a man will be visa. Or the she said a wife, Aquashacasimu, as is Siano, it's a wife as no. One who said, say anything a mark round, no prove no much second. What I say, and soon can was only or banya problem or second, and yes, second same. What I say, I am of talk. But because in me a Cassan, Yente Cassana, no Casacra, no Saco committee, because Cassana Cocano, Cassan in I bonina, a trying wish ya. Cassania bon Cassibiana, a mine in I say, ye fence and ye tie. What I say, Cassan will be catcher on whom say at him because a new Cassa. Who does it so bid do at tema? Translate at him, you don't call Trimu. And I saw Cassim, now they're hardy. Or Bonica would be do at him, be translated. What I say, intimina me Cassabi from life, and to catch me crown, I mean, I'm a corner if you cry, and so would outcome in the outcome. Intimate we sit time one. What I say, and to being as a Cassana, a better say, ye free system, no Yamaton. And to what a wife as what a husband I say, and the only and so Cassana say with the What I say, the alphabet and me catch them say, and ye be make of Magatram with the Bremo. What I say, Utradian Pop, but I'm Panada Romano. Sakasana be Puma this time. What I say, and to win here as a Cassano, on super general, you be Yachan so general. Eo Cassan so dear, ye won't you know whom check. What I said, I told you, you can't maybe sooner what I say, and I said, a farmer. As soon as I Cassana down, also a ready made. You are singing idea to me. You didn't to me, the whole word. Your identity not to me. So they cannot tell us, they cannot advise us. And maybe do a video or more the salmon seven bar. No more translator cobrofum, no more cabiachum, me fire woman. If you do not submit a Cassano, Cassami de Kunsiano de, and yes, a Cassa, maybe didn't grow. Cassa me calabash near when you Michael, I could don't see so. A town snap a yapaya de Jano, and your Cassa will catch him say, a Cassami didn't grow. Oh, you want the TV ever foul. Un son se Cassano. What I say? Cassano, son sen, being who son se Cassano. What I say? Into we now we are off at the foul. We dear group be one of the cow at the foul. She said the fishy at the matrix system because Abraphone and your throne with the boom mine. What I say? Only the Ukraine boom mine, ain't I was so quick be you previous year, no quackoy. Ain't I was so quick be one pote or been pote more, I was so cocoy. Ain't no rose be that baby street slice be that baby or so coy, no quackoy. Oh, yes, I knew ya. Sisters can you become already? Ye do man upon a being come away, and as you say, as a cratacra among young someone ye, no in a basa. Sakasan and Tissau, a moment in Tom Person Becohon, every moment in the crate, in Tom Person Becohon. Until this time, ye individuals and I ever be Hucasanich. Yes, that's a for Casano, ye is a brofocus in a free abrabum. Sabro focus and ye free abrabum. They say, I know why didn't say, we are Santini, we are canny, Inter Bonisi a can. okodi aka hye Africa mu ma wo no wo yakani nipa tuntum bia yakani what I say to do was an connect. It is coming along with akwanchere. You can untimi kasa no what you into the heading e so we are wakwanche bi na connect because nyina de boni aka ye hu yintinu nyina nim say ai boni what I say nto musu de onye boni da onto omu nim say nyina obi ai boni omu nim kasa mo hyehye mai eno nim say kasa na de e den a omu nim say ye start you see mpo ansa na mu jai ho what I say it kasa de ya fa kasa no so at say bibia your man etesem we ni patuntum bia say wo fe say enena wo de why conscious and why connected kwa na won ka ho bi obi de kan why so fa what I say umu abode ho ban unim identity bi a kire say baby a wugina no obi dia enti sisi ana so wunya identity bi unya uhu sa identity na fe wi a na fe conscious a wo ye no na fe wasili no what I say na fe wasili no because explanations and that kasa no ho nyina no enne be ma wasili sa wo consciousness na wo fe say why ye no what I say enkama hu sa identity na some ye conscious ache so enka metima about our teachings but me hu identity bi betimi sili me consciousness it is me relax na me hu say den na betimi ama me so me gina ho na me so my powerful bi kra e bi kra me be me bibia na me be kire ma de na obi be ha me a me so betimi gina so protect me ho na say the identity ni share me nsem na e ma me hu say eno na tumi wom say na me yusu no eno ma me de be ka ho ni na say me second nyina what I say eba no so amba for personal amba say me it came for as I no koye say omani nyina ade sadly we even for Africa continent nyina for African continent yeah black what I say but I say chance su Ghana na kakran no so omo bi hu ichiri so what I say and so muso hu ichira they can also design their personal optional ones from it what I say and until we here say be hu kasa na etwa en we share na afi amayen so yetimi eye connected but as I say kasa no I say chains na mo de chichire na nanom no omo yi sa chains no na mo de chains na form kasa e na chichire e na yintimi develop e na ye basa na ye ma na say what I say and this yen nyina nam Ghana no chains kra yen but this time on chains na achichire ya adwene enti u sha me kra na hu se onua ne me biom what I say u sha me kra ne me se onua kra ne me what I say omo dia fa religion mu ni nyina so he kasa ye di kodu kasa ne bank kakra de ye be do sa side of what I say be kan nyina akere mu enti ye makasa ne nyetintin e mamu edum be si ha na mbi hia asem so mu no bi be den e be kan wasem what I say na buni kasa na still regional system no mu no ache dodo hwe Ghana fi dodo Ghana edi na mo betana TV so na mo se mu celebrate independence you are proud to say you are living in a pending life as a whole nation yenye serious crowd o man team no serious no penny for na team na say not bibi amfam what I say who celebrate independence kasa na obisa ho say kasa we me kasa na me de chura na kasa we efiri hifa ase ne sen eno ntina obon say omu ana enema bi koso basa no yan kasa nso yesori na yakose yakoye 6 match eno tu match kra na say mo yepe match kasa na da ho as equality no matching something timu match kra say mo yepe what I say eno mafom kasa bia man say yen celebrity keke enso na mpuntu bia be ma celebrity sa kasa ni na ani ho nkofo hia ndwuma komode nkofo nam wiaso basa nkofo wu basa na omo nhwe no and I say celebrity pending so we are proud abrofo na nim say we are proud we are happy say you're celebrating a pending French economy because we celebrate independence now we take kasa na say now nim say a pending life bi na odi omani film na so omani tima now we celebrate and say you are happy celebrating your current French life situation we okay what I say to mo hu ni sa ka na mo sere yen now ye hu kra te say ye hu kra mo sere what I say independence abrofo mo celebrate independence we need free dominance we don't need independence dominance no so kasa nim na kwose mimi hu kasa na minim kasa no nti my dominate me hu me mo bi an hye me so obi ani ga no beti ma hye me so na me mo kasa nobody we ya me prove kasa na kire eyo kasa no so nti me de kan we was fa quick what I say because bini kasa afina sisi an wa be connected nti me de kan wa wo kra na wase ho ni mujana na ade no me a mebo abode ho ban de se me de kan wa se timi fa me so na me kita kasa no what I say ntia se ni yenya freedom yenya independence ni yenya Ghana what I say we need a freedom in us so obi atimi nya ni freedom bi no live Ghana na eti no o freedom so be nya ji se what kasa ase na kasa no se na yentia se na celebrate independence na se yenya ya dwen se ye be celebrate freedom what I say freedom no dey emaye but ye coat of arms no so say freedom and justice mo maintain justice no na freedom no way mo yi freedom na mama independence and mo maintain justice na way so Pero me gusu ka mo say mo na mbetimi apagya mo ho ama mo betimi connected me ma connected me gusu kra gusu connected me nu be bia say me connected do what I say and to so na be look sharp now so what thing me bia say no why wa join say say na wo hu identity bi dey wo so be fulfill identity bi we kasa bi free system ti meet ni nyama ne bi no e ma system mu bi o e ma nkokọ gina bi nkoto meet en say obo ade abode bi odna be kan sa hwe no so what I say and so take kasa bi asa fi tra so be di kasa no udi kodi na unya udi ne se udi be hashtag ana se enche bia de numbers be mamu me hwe ni mu kakra enche bia de numbers be mamu na so wa hashtag kase bia ba na so ya bo na wa de udi kodi obi na send me or message me or messenger Facebook messenger no mama obi sa me se opese oti feminine ase what I say ene mama kra me ko hwe feminine chiri already numbers me hu kasa na eji 9 months free awodi ni mu no na makodi ahye kasa bi mu na me hu sa kasa no nti nipa bi obo asase so eson come 9 months account original ti say date of birth na wo na eson come 9 months account na wonya original date of birth what I say but omu yi sa 9 months ni film nti na mpese me hu kasa na ahye 9 months ni until say obi followers ni bi bisa me say feminine no person te feminine na say me gina so na me du hu say feminine no na onkodu sa kasa de shi nti bibia wa asase so happen bia hye kase what I say nti yema na say so no nyina ye pray for hundi ma oman no this is the time I baba pray for hundi ankasa because obi ti bia bi onya akonya ni beka we bi ehu bia hye ni mu kase bia ma ehu bia hye ni mu illegal say illegal ama ehu bia hye ni mu hell ama ehu bia hye ni mu kase ni bi da okra ma ebi mu kran timi enfili okay nti afi na ye baba pray freedom dominance ankasa ama oman no yenso ye be ya famu die ye hu se na se ye me die yenso ye be ye nim rules nti na ba out se ye ba be bi what I say yenso ye be ye du be ye betimi ayedu ene nim se this time na alphabet na pie mu no e de be ko echiri so what I say me jitum se makwaba ma betena asase suda me jitum pa ma be hye dwuma ya seda minim dinta me kasa nti ma ba se ma beto aso a e was this time with me diwi so what I say and to have who be no careful. O dear Jumpe bin eba okay, you are welcome. But only side in Bonnie be teacher, be careful because a best pose you and found chow. What I say, and until don't be see a quenya about my best animal tenancy. Cassan dear dosso, but a quenya no I say yenya entia, until don't be see no air in my santanasi. We do be